relax, relax. We already know Supreme week 4 is gonna be the Yohji Yamamoto with the Tekken little spice on it, and I'm here to cover it for y'all. Yes sir. Leave a like if you enjoyed this one, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight to it. There's a couple items on this list. Honestly, it's just one thing. These Dominoes, I'm Dominican, so it's in my bloodline to support anything that has dominoes in it. Grandfather literally has a domino table at the crib, here and there type beat. So yeah, $148 retails looking kind of crazy, but it might be a must. One of those impulse buys that I have to make. I wish it was a little bit cheaper, not gonna lie to y'all, but at the end of the day, it's something that we gonna have to pay to play. I'm assuming they're more expensive because it is made out of aluminum. It's a little heavier, a little more sturdy. I do actually have the dice. They actually have some pretty good quality, so I understand why they're taxing on these shits. Maybe that's all sentimental. Next, we do have the engraved Zippo coming out. Zippos from Supreme are actually cool, but I don't know how many exactly you need. I have this glow in the dark, this metal plate one, and I also have this one. I do think this one with the engraved vibe on it is pretty sick. Love the fact that they stayed consistent with the Zippo collabs, and hey, they're not letting up, bro. We got these in 2 different colors. They normally retail from $48 to $60. These are the ones that are coming out this week. If y'all are interested in these, let me know in the comments. Honestly, I'm gonna be sleeping on them. All I want this week is them dominoes. I'm not even playing with y'all. Now we got some of the Tekken pieces with Yohji Yamamoto. Tee off the rip looks clean. I love that print on the front. Almost looks like a futuristic vibe on it. I don't know what the f really going on it, but it looks clean to me. Shit, looking like a little 90s fighter type vibe. I actually do dig these tees, the first one at least. Next, we got the skate deck, which the skate deck is equally as fire. I'm fucking with this one on both sides. I wouldn't even know what side to hang this shit on. This is one of the ones that low-key you could pick 2 up because the front and back look hard. Basically got the playable characters on one side, then that Yohji Tekken logo on the other side. At the end of this video, I'm gonna talk about the few items I feel like will do good in the resale market. We'll get into that in a little bit though. The skate deck is clean. This is one of the pieces that is worth it for sure. I love the way that this looks, almost has like a artsy vibe to it. I'm fucking with it. There's this Baja Rastafari jacket right here, the one that you buy by the beach. One of these shits, you know what I'm talking about. You pull up to the little beach shop, you got that rack that's right outside. That shit, that's what this shit look like. I don't know. Hey, and it's somehow still looking nice. I don't know if it's something I'm gonna go for, but it's not bad, bro. It's not bad. What's the retail gonna be? Let me know. It even does have a little box logo on the back if you peep, but we do got the Tekken hooded sweatshirt. This one comes in like 4 colors, mainly just fucking with the black and the blue. I don't know about the other ones. The red is okay, but bro, if they would have thrown a cream on that white, come on, bro. Shit would have been fire. Shit would have been clean. I would have copped that for sure. This black color is looking solid though. Real quick, could y'all let me know how y'all feel about the fit on this tee? It's almost like a mock neck, Yeezy Gap type vibe, but I'm debating on how I feel about this blank. Let me know how y'all feeling about this in the comments. It would mean a lot for real. No funny shit. I need y'all opinion on this. But I don't know where this pumpkin tee came from. We not even in Halloween. I understand them dropping something for Halloween or whatever, but what is this, bro? This don't got nothing to do with nothing, like at all. Let's just let him get his creative shit off. We got this split jacket, which basically has like a flame on one side. It's the one we saw ASAP Nas wearing. It comes in 2 different colors, the beef and Brock, and then the black with the red. That one's a little bit better. The green one is a little dookie, in my opinion, you feel me? There's literally a cut off box logo on this shit. Nothing I would spend my money on. Plus, it's a Vance and collab, so they taxing off rip. These Doc Martens actually aren't looking that bad. I'm fucking with it because it looks like a canvas on a pair of Docs. Normally they overdo it or underdo it. With this one, the artsy vibe is actually complementing it. I'm fucking with the white pair and the black pair. I feel like both of them are essentials. On that white pair, you can see that the colors are more vibrant, so it pops more for the spring, summer times. It is getting a little darker, so that black one just looks like you could go through the snow with these bitches and they never gonna tear up. I'm kind of fucking with these, bro. It almost looks like when you go to Times Square and you pay them to paint your name with the little fucking flower shit. These shits look fire though. Let me know if it's something you would cop in the comments. There's way too much going on, bro. Let's hop on the green screen.
Hey, I'm about to tear you a new ass. Sew up your old ass.
Huzzah! Huzzah! So we already covered the Domino set, the engraved Zippo, which both are phenomenal in my opinion. Tekken tee, which is clean. Then you got this skate deck with all the characters on it. That Vanson jacket, which is probably gonna be like $2,000 low key. This pumpkin tee, which we don't even know why it's dropping right now. Like, it don't make no sense. We got the hooded sweatshirt and the little beach jacket right here. Tekken sweater, which this one comes in 2 colors, and these are 2 players from the game. I don't know why they did that knitted vibe on the sleeve. That shit look crazy, but hey, that's neither here nor there. This swirl camp cap ain't that bad, you feel me? Got a little swirl map action going around it. I wouldn't cop that shit, but it's just me. This nylon bomber, probably one of the first pieces I saw, and bro, what in the fuck? Who is this character? It looks like a demon and then an angel, I guess, but this is a fallen angel, so it's still bad. I mean, I don't know. Hey, not my business, but this bomber is actually hard. I love the way that the bottom just cuts off. It doesn't really have a band at the bottom. The design on it is kind of questionable, you feel me? Like, we good, but this beanie actually goes crazy. I don't know why, but it's giving me like 2006 spin on your head breakdancing type beat. This one got the Supreme on one side, then the back has the Yohji Yamamoto with the little letters and shit. Not that bad. We spoke about the Doc Martens. Them shits is hard. These Vanson pants about to go for beans. I'm straight on all that, but this Phoenix tee doesn't look that bad from afar, and then when you get close, it's like bleh. It's kind of cheeks too, bro. Like, this paint tee basically has the graphic that's on the Doc Martens on a tee. This is a big ass graphic, so just expect to be sweating bullets in this bitch. If I'm being honest, I like the way that this looks on the Docs way better than on the tee. Like, this tee is ass, bro, but the Docs with the same print on it look fire. There's this Tekken shirt which literally has every character ever. It has everybody on that shit, bro. There's probably like 150 characters, and it's low-key overwhelming to the eye. I don't know who in the world would buy this shit and actually wear it. Like, I feel like the person who's gonna wear this is about to go to a Tekken tournament and is about to whoop everybody ass in that shit. Like, I'm good on this one. You got that fur cargo pant. You're gonna be hot as shit in that, bro. There's a whole suit coming out with that same paint design. It looks like bro went on Canva and just started throwing shit on a piece of clothing. Like, nah, we good on this. Denim crusher, you feel me? It's nothing too special. Literally says Supreme New York in a couple different fonts, if I'm not mistaken. Shit's ass. Then you got the 6 panel with the same shit on it. Both are just not doing it for me. This puff parka I might be able to fuck around with. Got that graphic on the back, then the front just has nothing on it. You can remove the hood on this one. Am I tripping, or are the sleeves for little people, bro? Let me know what y'all saying in the comments. Bro, I don't know what's going on with this one. Let's just get up out of there quickly and smoothly. Bro, they dropping the whole fucking set at this point. They deadass got pants, a jacket, the 6 panel, and the bucket. I know somebody from Texas about to buy all 4 of these bitches and about to be on their lawnmower stunting, bro. Stunting for real. Look at the blue ones. Tell me now. There's this USNY deadass, like an Old Navy ass hoodie from like when I was in 4th grade. I had some shit like this in navy, bro. It's just not it. This multi-stripe beanie almost has like a vintage RGB head ass. Yo, imagine wearing the striped shirt with the striped beanie. That's low-key the new camo, bro. Like, this shit is ass too. And that was actually the last item on the list. This one is a pretty big drop list. Let me know what you guys are gonna be going for. Personally, Dominoes are a little bit on the expensive side, but I feel like it's one of those pieces that Supreme drops and do stand the test of time, especially these being aluminum. I think it's hard. The Zippo will probably sell out, but they normally restock these further in the season, so I don't know about that one. This Tekken tee is looking hard though in that black. It will do good resale wise. I don't think Supreme Brick Kings are coming for this one. Tekken skate deck, in my opinion, is a banger. The fact that you could literally flip it and have an inverted design is clean. I feel like low-key they should have dropped this as a set. The hoodie isn't bad. I wish that there was another piece that had this same design on BOGO with the signature. Just that on a piece would have been clean. That's just me, you feel me? To each his own, but you can always have this on the boardwalk ass jacket. This hoodie isn't bad, you feel me? Then shit starts dwindling in the wind. Shit just start getting crazy after that. You have a lot of pieces at the bottom of this list that are just questionable. Who is wearing a fur pair pair of cargos. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all did end up enjoying, leave a like on it below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And if you're still watching, watch one of these 2 videos that YouTube thinks you might like. And you might just like it. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Have a great day or night whenever you're watching. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.